How to set a microphone input or clip to mono in Premiere Pro. This can fix an issue where you have audio coming in only on one channel. Okay, there are a few different ways how we can go about this. One of the ways is to create a new track and set it to mono. So here in this timeline, we're going to right click and choose Add Tracks. In Add Tracks, you want to choose track type as mono and track type as mono. Okay, we go back out and click on OK. Next, when you start recording, you can see here there is a small audio icon. This indicates that your track is recording in mono. So if we start recording now, this is a test. This is a test recording, test recording. Okay, so here when we play the audio, it will play in mono audio. It's a test. This is a test recording. Okay, the other way is we're going to make changes to the track. So if you have a track right here and it is stereo, then we can change it. Okay, so the other way is we go in here and you right click on that audio file. In this menu here, we're going to go up and click on Modified. And then click on Audio Channel. In here, what you're going to do is you want to click on Mono. And then we put the number of audio clip to 2. So make sure it is selected left and then right. So we've got left and right. Then we go down and click on OK. Then click on yes. After that, you need to drag your audio clip into here and you can see now it has left and right audio. Okay, so that is another way how you can do it. The other option is to use effect. So if we go into this effect over here, property, and you look for fill, and then go here, we click for fill left to right or fill right to left. So for audio that has only one channel, what you can do is you drag in the effect and then drop it onto your audio. And that's it. So once you drop it onto your audio effect, it will basically allow the effects over here. So fill right with left or fill left with right. And that will compensate the audio. It will flow from one channel to the other. Okay, so those are the different options that you can use to fix an issue if your audio only come out on one side, either left or right, or it is come out as stereo and you want to fix it as a mono so that you can have sound on both speakers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.